Hey Brian, this is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm shooting this free custom video for you to show you some ways you can get more customers every single month, some ways how to beat out your online competition, and also increase your overall online presence. I do this marketing outreach in this way to shoot free custom videos to separate myself from the other marketers out there. So I show you actual substance and actual things which are very specific that you can do to start increasing your online presence. So I hope you like the video that I'm about to do for you. If you do, please contact me. I'd love to chat with you and make a bigger game plan. If not, no harm, no foul. These free tips are for you to implement as you choose. Now let me get started. I'll try to keep the video around 5 minutes. The three things I'm going to talk about are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first of all, I'll start with the content. Google loves content. I'm on the home page of your website. Before I even get to the content, I want to show you a big thing that you want to fix immediately is this right here. You see how it says not secure? Now that is something called an SSL encryption, which is not coded correctly for your website. So whoever made your website or whoever your hosting services, you want to go through them and get this fixed. So this is going to be the SSL encryption. You want to make sure you can get this to secured. Because as of right now, your data and the people who visit your website, they're also not gonna be secure. So this deters a lot of people away. It's also not a good look for Google as well. So you want to get that fixed as soon as you can. Usually it's a free and immediate fix, so you can figure that out with your hosting company. Like I was saying before, content. Google wants to see around 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your home page. Now that's going to be content which is keyword rich. So I see you had the website made out. It looks pretty decent. I see you have some pictures and you have a lot of different services you're showing here, so that's good. And you want to have 1,500 words, 2,000 words on your home page, which you're definitely lacking, and you can use a lot more. And also, how you save your pictures is gonna give you a boost, or it's gonna be like this picture right here. It's saved as main 3, so it's pretty much just taking up space and just another picture on the web. You want to put actual keywords behind the pictures and re-upload them, each single one. That's going to help you boost your ranking. Like I was saying, you can definitely use a lot more content, a lot more words on your home page. Secondly, I want to talk to you about citations. Let me show you this right here. Citations, basically anywhere on the web where you can put in your business name, address, and phone number. Your business information, that counts as one citation. So mostly it's going to be on online directories such as Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, White Pages, and all the rest. So you want to make sure you have your info on as many of those as possible, and definitely more than the competition has. So there's ways to find out how many they have and then beat them by a mile. So I did this quick research right here just to show you what a average Google search looks like. It's going to look like this wherever you are, whatever industry you search for. So the first thing that pops up are these Google guaranteed ads. This is a paid service through Google. You advertise your business right on top. After that, we move on to this section called, these are the traditional Google ads, which are also paid. After that, we go on to this section. This is a Google My Business, known as Google Map Pack as well. You definitely want to have your business here to get a lot of good leads and a lot of clicks. Google only lists the top 3 here. And what I was telling you about citations, the more citations you have and strong citations, you're going to move up here. And you definitely want to be there. After that, we go on to this section called the organic section. This is the one where your website is going to be legitimized on the first page. This happens through SEO, search engine optimization. Just like I was saying earlier about the content, so you have keywords and good content, you're going to get up here too on the first page. The first page is where you want to be at, because 95% of the people who go on a Google search, they're only going to click on the first page, something on the first page. They're not going to go page to page. So you don't want to be losing out on all these customers out here. Lastly, I want to talk about backlinks right here. So I use a tool called Ahrefs. It's a paid service. It gives me really good information. A backlink is basically any website which is pointing to your website and ultimately drives traffic to you. Now, the more websites pointing at you, the more backlinks you have, are supposed to increase your ranking in Google and other search engines. So right now you only have 6 backlinks. from 5 referring domains. You're not ranking for any keywords, and consequently, you're not getting any traffic to your website. Now, to put this into context for you, I opened up a competitor to show you what they look like. They have 381 backlinks from 47 referring domains. They're targeting 414 keywords, and they're getting about 600 people visiting their website every single month. So this is where you want to be at. This is where you are right now. So more traffic equals more leads, ultimately more customers. So that's where you want to be at. Now, I did a little more research for your website, and I found out that it was made 7 years ago, almost 12 years ago. Almost 8 years ago. And the last time it was updated was also 7 years ago. So since then, it's just been sitting idle, and that's why it has no updates, no one coming there. And obviously, you want to have a website which is active and working for you. So that's the whole point of a website, bringing customers for you every single month. So you want to make sure that you update it as well. With that, I don't want to make the video too long. I hope you found this information to be valuable. Definitely reach out to me. I'd love to chat with you and come up with a game plan. With that, you take care and have a great day.